Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, today we will try to understand what are floods, what are the different types of floods, and how floods can be controlled. First of all, let's define what's flood. How can we define a flood? In simple terms, a flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that's usually dry. They are studied in the discipline of science known as hydrology. So the hydrology we in detail discusses the floods and their causes and effects and control. Floods are the most common and widespread natural severe weather events. Floods are of different types. There are different types of floods. According to National Severe Storms Laboratory, there are 5 types of floods. They include flash floods, river floods, coastal floods, urban floods, inland flooding. Different types of floods. They occur. First type is flash floods, which are common these days. These floods occur within 6 hours, mainly due to the heavy rainfall. This type of flood requires a rapid, localized warning system. The second is river flooding. Floods caused by precipitation over a large catchment area, melting of snow or both. It builds up slowly on a regular basis. These floods may continue for days or weeks. The major factors of these floods are moisture, vegetation cover, depth of snow, size of catchment basins. Coastal floods. Floods associated with cyclonic activities like hurricanes, cyclones. They generate a catastrophic flood from rainwater. Urban floods. Urban floods, we know that they happen when agricultural land is converted, and agricultural fields or the woodlands are converted into parks, parking lots. It loses its ability to absorb rainfall. Urbanization, it decreases the ability to absorb water over a period of time. During this urban flooding, streets can become like moving rivers, while basements can become death traps as they fill it with water. So there are different types of floods which can happen by different ways. What are the causes? Now we will turn to the causes of floods. What are the various causes of floods? Or what causes the flooding? The simplest cause of flood is heavy rainfall. We all know that. If there is heavy rainfall, the flood will happen. When there is too much rain or it happens too fast, there just isn't a place for it to go. This can result in flooding like flash flooding. You know that. Second reason is overflowing rivers. They are another cause of floods. You don't necessarily need heavy rains though to experience river flooding. As we mentioned before, river flooding can happen when there is debris in the rivers or dams that block the flow of river. And when we speak of dams, broken dams are another cause of flooding. Storm surge or tsunamis are also cause flooding. Storm surge from hurricanes and other tropical systems can cause sea level to rise and cover normally. And tsunamis, on the other hand, are giant waves caused by earthquakes or underwater volcanic eruptions. Lack of vegetation can also cause flooding. Vegetation can help slow runoff and prevent flooding. When there is lack of vegetation, there is little to stop water from running off and overflowing over banks and streams. Melting snow and ice is another common reason for flooding. When a large amount of snow or ice melts quickly, it often does not have somewhere to go except low lying areas. So, there aren't all reasons that flooding can happen, but they are some of the most common reasons. So, some of the most common reasons of flooding are, if we can summarize them, that's first is heavy rainfall, number second, overflowing rivers, broken dams, storm surge and tsunamis, a lack of vegetation, melting snow and ice. These are the different reasons, the most common reasons are causes of floods. Thank you.